let's glow, let's grow. Let's flow. Every face tells a story, every line holds.
Okay, this is it. This is nose reveal ni Joy. Say hi, Joy.
Hi po.
Ayan, excited ka na?
Yes po.
Alright. Hindi naman masakit yan. Medyo nakakaluha lang, no? So, abangan ng nose reveal ni Lovely Joy. Look at this. Ganito dapat ang tenga after rhinoplasty, di ba? Scarless. Wala dito kasi kadalasan ang naging problem ng mga nagpapa-rhino, maganda na yung ilong, pero yung tenga nako-compromise kung ginagawa when harvesting the cartilage. Pero tayo, tinago natin yan sa likod, no? Alright?
With care, we honor each journey. We're fully aware. Your dreams, your choices, we listen, we see a path to your best.
Pakita natin kay Lovely yung ilong na magapa.
Oh.
Nakapanibango, no?
Opo.
Hindi ka naduduling. Kita na to, ayan, oh. Ninipis pa yan. Imagine, that's just 6 days. Okay? Alright, charan!
Parang hindi na ako, Dok.
Hindi na? Yan, natural looking lang.
Thank you po, Dok.
Ngayon, maga-maga pa siya. Siyempre, 6 days pa lang. Antabayanan na kanyang transformation kapag wala ng swelling, which is will be, makikita natin yan ng 2 months. Pero, for the next 6 months, mas liliit pa yan. So, natural looking, hindi namin nag-alarplasty. Alar left lang, okay naman. Para, siyempre, maganda yung hindi halatang gawa. Alright? Abangan na kanyang healing process.